Is your website or online business practically invisible when someone searches on Google? Do you feel like getting found in 2025 is some kind of magic trick only experts know? It's time to stop being invisible. You don't need to be an SEO guru to get your site seen. This video is your Beginner SEO Guide to Get Found on Google 2025, revealing the simple steps you can take right now to start ranking. Many beginners feel completely overwhelmed by SEO. They think it's too technical, too complicated, or that the rules change too fast year after year. They get stuck and their valuable content or offers never see the light of day in Google search results. But understanding beginner SEO is fundamental to getting found on Google in 2025. What if the secret to ranking higher isn't complex algorithms, but just a few core actions you can do yourself today? It's true. Stop being invisible and start attracting free Google traffic. The most important aspects of SEO for beginners in 2025 are focused on providing value to users and making your site easy for Google to understand. So, what are the key steps in this beginner SEO guide to get found on Google in 2025? It starts with smart keyword basics, understanding what people actually search for. Then, simple on-page optimization, like using those keywords in your titles and content naturally. Making sure your site loads fast and works perfectly on phones is absolutely crucial in 2025. Creating genuinely helpful, high-quality content is more important than ever. While building links takes time, understanding their value is key. Focusing on these core areas of beginner SEO is how you tell Google what your site is about and prove it is valuable to searchers. Ready to stop being invisible and use this beginner SEO guide? Check out my other videos for more detailed beginner SEO tips and strategies for getting found on Google in 2025 and beyond.